Hermes! Hey! Hey guys! Quadruple Hermes unboxing! Hermes unboxing! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! New here, my name is Mayok and I am a fashion freak and a luxury lover and a party boy and a shopaholic and all of those things. And today I have some unboxings from Hermes for you from my online order. So if that's something that interests you, please stick around, hit that like and subscribe and share button and all the fun things. So today I have an unboxing from Hermes from online, my online order that I talked about in my last video. So if that's something that interested you, please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, all right? Today, my co-host is Chai. This is Chai. He will be here, sitting and enjoying. And yeah, and today we're doing an unboxing from Hermes from my online order, an online order unboxing, which I talked about last time. There was a little bit of issues with getting the online order, and I'll talk about that later in the video and how we worked through it, and the whole process of the online ordering in the store versus just doing it yourself, like in the store online ordering, so your SA gets the credit and it goes towards your sales history online order versus online order, just online ordering it yourself, which you could do too. And we'll talk about both later in the video. First of all, here's the box, which, okay, look, does that not kind of look like an H? Are they tricky? Did Hermes do that on purpose? I mean, it's like so well taped, like perfectly taped in every corner. Obviously this way looks like an H, but that is with every package, always. A wider H, but like, Hermes. I mean, way to make your packaging, like, you know, stand out. I mean, it's just really, the box is really nice. It's really well taped and it just looks so nice when all the corners are covered. I don't know. And then, you know, it's the little things. It's the little things. It's the little things, right? It's the little things. So I actually forgot a knife. Oh, Chai. Okay, we're gonna scoot with him because he's not gonna get up now. Oh, 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 I fell. Oh my God, I fell off the chair. Take two. I literally fell off the chair trying not to move so that Chai could be comfortable. Get comfy, booby. This is not gonna be a comfortable spot for you today, but that's okay. Here's the box. I'm gonna open it with my keys and a pen. Hopefully the pen does not destroy. Talk amongst yourselves, please. Actually, that was surprisingly easy. We're good. The pen only hit more box. We're good, guys, we're good. Okay. So this was an online order I placed for 4 items that they didn't have in the store. Well, they didn't have 3 of them in the store. One of them they had in the store, but it had a little bit of like a little thing and I made a big deal about it. Not a big deal, but I was like, I don't want this. But it was really easy. So we just placed an online order because they had them all online. And I could have gotten them all online already because I had already seen these items before and tried them on and felt them and everything like that. But I wanted to come back one more time and just see them in person. So my SA, so last time I went, they didn't have any of these things. So I asked him, but they were available at other stores. So he requested them from other stores in, you know, like the ones that I wanted and to have them brought to his store so that I could look at them. He requested them from the other stores and have them brought to the store so I could look at them and try them on. So they all didn't come. Only like 2 out of the, I requested like 10 things, okay, obviously. So 4 of them came. I only liked 1 out of the 4, but the other 3, I passed on, but there were 6 others that didn't come, but they were the same colors. So I asked to see, I just wanted to see the colors. So I tried them on in the colors and they were great. Oh my God, they came in little boxes too. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's really cool. Usually they don't come in boxes. So that's exciting. Actually, I'm really excited by that because I love having extra boxes. Clearly! Okay, so this is the inside. Anyway, so yeah, they came. I didn't like them, but they had more of them online and I knew they already had them online. And so I was like, let's order them right now while we're here. And I always, and maybe this is like a thing you guys should do, when you go to see your SA, like go online really quickly right before and anything that you want, I put it in my cart. So it's all there to look at, or I write down the product number because that's how they search them, by the product number in their little like, you know, Hermes phones, which are just iPhones with, you know, that app that they use and also the one they text you with. But so I just wrote them all down so I had them all there so I could be like, okay, I want this, 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 and this. And if they didn't have it in the store and I couldn't buy it there, then I already knew I wanted it, then I could buy it with him so that he got the credit. So always like come prepared before your journey. If you want to. I mean, you don't have to. Okay, so they're wrapped in this. I'm just gonna unbox them really quick, okay? Here's the inside of the box. They're all wrapped in this like beautiful, like weird cut up paper. It's like a soft paper. I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna open. Oh my God, this is so great. Oh my goodness. Talk amongst yourselves. Tightly packaged. I didn't even look how I look. Do I look okay? It's the morning. Oh, that's rough. Maybe it's sometimes better to order from online because they give you these little boxes, which are so cute. Okay, so this is an item that normally does not come in boxes, in my experience. So the fact that it is in little boxes makes me so happy. See how well they're wrapped? Okay, so they're like double wrapped. They're wrapped with this like cringly paper-like material around, and then one of these around. Hermès. Okay, 4 of these to do. Okay, so we have a receipt, which comes in this lovely little Hermès envelope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parfait. Even. Ah! I got 4 of the same thing in different colors. Can you guys guess what it is? It's an online order. It was in my size. A size that I keep talking about. A size that I'm really proud of. You guys? If you can guess it, guess it. Anyway, we're gonna do an unboxing. We're just gonna unbox all 4 of them real quick because anybody got time or anything else. I don't know which one's which. I don't know what order they're in, but here we go. Woo-hoo. First of 4. First of 4, here we go. Oh la la. Oh, the packaging's always, it just makes you so happy. It's so soft. It's so nice. It's so soft and so nice. Okay. They gave dust bags too. That's weird because I did not get this with my last purchase. It's a t-shirt in red, in extra small. It's this beautiful Hermes t-shirt in rouge with rouge H. Beautiful. No? Do we love it? Do we hate it? And it comes with a little dust baggie, you guys. How cute. That is smaller than the shirt. So I guess you roll up the shirt and fold it in because it's not gonna fit in like that. So I love red. Obviously red's my favorite color, so this is kind of exciting that this was the first one that I opened. I'll take the tissue paper out. But it is an extra small t-shirt in red with a pocket. Yeah, okay, I'll try it on for you guys in a sec. So, I mean, that's one. I'm sure you can guess what the next 3 are, but I will unbox them all the same. So these are their plain, just tee. They have them in a bunch of different colors and sizes, obviously online. They have other tees too that are like, you know, different styles and stuff. But this is the tee, that's their plain tee. It's $270 in the US, which, you know, $300 after taxes. It's expensive for a t-shirt, but it's not Dior, you know? It's not like Louis Vuitton. I don't think, I mean, it's actually comparatively to designer t-shirts, it might actually be a pretty good price. But this is the plain cotton tee. Like they do have other tees, like they had this another t-shirt that was like $1,000 and it was just the plain t-shirt too, but I think it was maybe casual. The second one is the rose one. So I got this earlier, you guys, in the polo, and I tried it on in one of my other unboxings. So this is the tee version of the same color, which is really exciting because I really like this color. Also, they did bring me the polo. So he brought me the polo in all these colors too, but I actually ended up not liking the polo as much because I don't wear polos as much. Like this is like, I could wear this like every day. Like this is just like an everyday t-shirt. It's simple, it's beautiful, but it's got the little bit of detail with the pocket and the H on the pocket, which is like, you know, kind of, it's subtle because it's, you know, it's camouflage. So if you know, you know kind of thing, which I like, but it's still like, you know, I mean, I could just wear this as like a daily like tee and add a little bit of luxury to my life in the formal t-shirt in a dust bag. Oh, look at these cute little dust bags. Ah! I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh, I'm getting good at unboxing. Ah! Purple. Purple. Okay. I think you guys get the point. A beautiful purple. Loves. And last but not least, so I think the color names were like Rouge Vif, Myrtle, Rose Indien, which was the pink, Myrtle, which is the purple, Myrtle, Rouge Vif, which is the red, and then the last one, like I put on like a false French accent when I talk. I did live in France for like 6 months, and I took French for, you know, 10 years. So this like yellow. Ah! I love it. It's so pretty. Also yellow, like earlier I was saying they had this like $900 yellow t-shirt, and it's literally the same thing, but it was like $900, and I was like, this one's $270. Like, okay. So the whole online process. So like They have them in online. If they have something online, like, yeah, I like to put it in my cart and like bring it there before, because then you can just order it with them there, but they have to order it for you. Your sales associate has to order it for you so that it's ordered through them, so that they get the credit, and it's ordered through the store. The store actually sees it on your sales history, not the online sales history, because your online sales history and your store sales history are separate. And if you're trying to get a bag, you're working for your Birkin, like I'm working for my Birkin. Welly for my Kelly, Melly, belly. Something for my Kelly, something for my Kelly, whatever. I'll come up with that one later. If you're working for your Birkin and you want it to be in your sales history, so you have them, they order it for you through your account. They like go into they get your last name or your phone number or your account number, pull up your account, and then order it from online for you because they have access to it, just like they have access to the other stores and they can pull and see. They can access it from online, order it for you, and then you just pay there and it's in your sales history. And you can request for it to be shipped to home, or you can request to be shipped to the store. I always request to be shipped to the store and not to home because I like it, to be at the store so I can pick it up and see them again, and see your sales associate, show your face, see your face in the store, just show that you're that you're like coming in every now and then and buying stuff, and also see what else is going on there. But also you can then it's it's there, it's secure, it's safe there and there. Also, the plus of online orders is you can always return them for your money back. So if you do want to try something and you don't want it, you could order online and then return it. But I wouldn't do too much returns through your SA. So if you want to buy something, try it and then return it, I would say just buy it online, try it, and then return the ones you don't want. Or return everything and then actually buy it again with your SA once you know what you want, because your online purchase history is separate, and the sales associate, the general manager who decides if you get the Birkin or not, will not see your online sales history. They can't see that, as far as I know. Just like they can't see your sales history in other countries, they can't see your online sales history. It's like a separate sales history. If you want, and that online history you can just do whatever you want with, because that's just it's just Hermes online. I mean, it's not counting towards your Birkin. So if you want, you just order it there, try a bunch of different sizes on, try a bunch of colors on, then return it all. You return it for a full credit card refund, or cash refund or whatever. You can return it for a full refund and then buy what you want from the store from online, because online usually has more supply too. And also, yeah, you can return for full refund online, whereas in the store, if you buy it and you return it, it's only for store credit, and you have 30 days. You have 30 days for both, but you can only exchange. But if you want to return it, you can get full refund there. So I would say do it that way and then buy what you want online with them. And even if you buy it online with them in the store, because you bought it online, you can still return it for a credit card refund and get a full credit card refund. So that's another advantage there versus buying something in the store where you cannot. And I like it shipped to the store versus home, because at home it's just a package, and if you know what the package is from, it will, somebody could take it, it's not like rocket science to figure out and somebody could just take the package. I ordered these online. I ordered 2 online orders. If you saw my last video, my last unboxing, I bought a bunch of stuff online. This was one of the 2 online orders. So I did 2 separate online orders. This one came in. Actually, the other one came in first. This one came in later, but I asked them to both be sent to the store, but for some reason, this one ended up being shipped to my house instead, and I wasn't home to receive it, so I didn't get it right away, and so that was a whole issue. And then I had to contact them and be like, hey, I didn't get that, because I didn't even know. I wasn't looking for it, because I had asked for both of them to be sent to the store. I think that there was a mix-up somehow, and this one got sent home and the other package got sent to the store. The store one I was able to pick up and be fine with, but this one, I was out of town. It got delivered. I didn't even know it got delivered, so I didn't even look for it when I got back. And then when I went to the store to see if they had it, they said that it was shipped home, and then I had to call online and they said yes, it was shipped, and they confirmed it was shipped home. So then I freaked out, obviously, and I had to call my building manager and everything like that, and it was a whole thing to try to find the package because it wasn't in the mailroom anymore. Luckily, my building manager had the package and I got it, and everything was fine. There was no, issues, but I could have not gotten the package, and that would have been actually really horrible. But anyway, that's my unboxing. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or subscribe and a thumbs up. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I know our time is so valuable, our time is so precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Chai says bye. Bye, Chai. He is not feeling it. Chai, say bye. Bye. Okay.